the EU pharmacopoeia. Can I, and if it is so, can you submit on the table of the Assembly the certificate of benchmark?
Mr. Speaker, sir, the evaluation committee, the committee of needs, the
Come on, leader of
consumer...
the opposition! Leader of the opposition! Leader of the opposition, what is happening? This, you don't shout, and you go by standing order. You put a question and you give reply. Don't shout and don't interrupt proceedings. Keep your manners, parliamentary manners. When the leader of the opposition puts his PNQ, he should listen to reply. This is basic parliamentary manners. You don't have to. You sit up. You tell the speaker to sit up. You tell the... And you are. And you are. I suspend that sitting for some minutes.